Hey there, today we're going to look at how to export 4K vertical video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro and start a new project. Over here, drag your clip into the timeline, either using the project panel or from your file explorer. After that, if your clip isn't already in portrait format, go to Sequence at the top and click on Sequence Settings. Then, in the Dimensions section, swap the numbers to make it vertical. Then click OK on any preview prompt. After that, click on your clip and go to Effect Controls. If you don't see it, go to Window and enable Effect Controls. Over here, go to Scale and increase it to fill the frame. Then adjust the position if needed to center the subject. After that, trim your clip if you want to export a shorter portion by dragging the ends or using the razor tool. Then mark your export area by selecting the start point and pressing I on the keyboard, then dragging the blue line to the end and pressing O. Now go to File, click on Export and choose Media. Over here, make sure the format is H264 and the preset is Match Source. Then click the output name, choose your location like the desktop and click Save. Finally, click Export. And that wraps it up. I appreciate you watching. See you in the next